I call the member for Bowman.
Deputy Speaker, there is no greater commissioning for a government than providing opportunity to its citizens. And for the last 6 years of Labor government, what we saw was a welfare bill that exploded out of control and one that was never ever tempered with some common sense. Of course, McClure has picked up the mantle and for the second time in a decade reported to the government about ways to simplify the system, down to 5 basic payments, 4 simple supplements, a carer, an education, a kids and a housing supplement, a replacement for what must have been scores of supplements up until this time. But ultimately the one great missing piece in this puzzle are the young Australians, not just a handful of them, but as I've said before, 130,000 young Australians who leave school every year unable to even pick up a broom or get a job. We must do better than that, as we must the 150,000 who transfer from youth allowance on a New Start every year once they hit that appropriate age. These are the great failings in our welfare and employment system. They must be addressed. And the great underused area of work experience, tapping in to our fantastic private sector and its ability to give small business opportunities to young people, must be a priority. Last year, we trebled the number of jobs created in this country. Last year, 21,000 new small businesses were created. We need to reach out to them and give them opportunities to employ young people and give them a start. Work experience gives us that opportunity. Both sides of politics should support it.
Thank you, member for